Have you ever wondered if virtual social events can truly provide a sense of community and connection? Welcome to the Reality Radar. I'm your host, Lavish, here to explore this intriguing hypothesis. In the digital age, where our lives are intertwined with technology, the nature of social interaction has evolved dramatically. From physical gatherings and face-to-face conversations, we've transitioned to online platforms and virtual meetings. But does this shift truly satisfy our innate need for community and connection? A pivotal piece of research conducted in 2022 provides compelling evidence that virtual social events can indeed nurture a sense of community and connection. This comprehensive study, which spanned 6 months and involved over 1,000 participants drawn from diverse backgrounds, explored the psychological impact of attending virtual events compared to physical get-togethers. Participants who attended an assortment of virtual events ranging from webinars, online gaming tournaments, to virtual reality experiences reported experiencing a sense of belonging and connection that mirrored the sentiments generally experienced in physical events. The research further detailed that this sense of unity was particularly pronounced when the virtual events incorporated interactive components. Real-time conversations were a major factor. Participants could directly engage with event hosts and other attendees, bringing an authentic social element to the digital platform. In addition to this, virtual events that included group activities, such as collaborative problem-solving tasks, interactive quizzes, or synchronized virtual performances, were seen as highly effective in fostering a sense of community. These activities required participants to work in teams, thus promoting cooperation and mutual understanding, deeply ingraining a sense of connection and belonging among the attendees. The research in question, conducted by a team of dedicated social psychologists, was an in-depth study that involved a significant sample size of 1,000 participants. The diverse demographics of the participants represented a cross-section of society, including various age groups, ethnicities, and socio-economic backgrounds from different parts of the world. This comprehensive study focused on popular virtual events such as online book clubs, virtual concerts, and interactive webinars. The findings highlighted that these virtual social gatherings can significantly enhance community spirit. For instance, the convenience and accessibility of virtual events, geographical barriers and time constraints enabling more people to participate. This fostered a more diverse and inclusive community than traditional physical events. Moreover, the research uncovered intriguing layers of how virtual events can bolster community spirit. By offering a shared platform, they fostered a sense of unity among participants, irrespective of their physical locations. This common space for interaction and engagement, although digital, provided a shared purpose that bonded the participants. Additionally, the easy exchange of thoughts, ideas, and experiences in these virtual spaces fostered mutual support, creating a strong sense of belonging and community. This, as the study revealed, is an essential element in cultivating a thriving, inclusive, and vibrant community. Moreover, the study found that virtual events can help overcome geographical barriers, enabling individuals from different parts of the world to connect and interact. This global connection can lead to the formation of a more diverse, rich, and global community, something that is hard to achieve in local physical events. However, it's not all rosy. Virtual social events do come with their own set of challenges. The lack of physical presence can sometimes lead to feelings of isolation and disconnection. And while technology has made great strides, it still cannot perfectly replicate the nuances of face-to-face interactions. So, to summarize, virtual social events can provide a sense of community and connection. They are inclusive, accessible, and can help form diverse and global communities. However, they can also lead to feelings of isolation and cannot fully replicate the experience of physical interactions. The key, therefore, lies in striking a balance. Incorporating virtual social events as part of a wider social strategy, while also maintaining physical social interactions, can help us enjoy the best of both worlds. This is Lavish, signing off from Reality Radar. Until next time, keep exploring the intriguing realities of our digital world.